Hi students, welcome to physics class. Today we are going to discuss about center of mass of two particle system. Center of mass of a two particle system. Now go for the diagram. Take x-axis, take y-axis. Here take one particle is here, take another particle is here. Consider this particle is P1. Consider this particle is P2. Now this is the center O. Take a position vector from O to P1. The position vector name is R1. Take another position vector from O to P2. Its name is R2. Now combined P1 and P2. Combined P1 and P2. The center is nothing but C. Now we draw another position vector from O to C called as center of mass or position vector of center of mass. Once again, once we can draw a position vector from O to C is called as RCM, where RCM is the position vector of or center of mass of position vector. Consider here the particle mass is m1. Consider here the particle mass is m2. This is the diagram of center of mass of a two particle system. Now see the diagram. Take x-axis, take y-axis. Take a mass of a body m1 at a point P1. Take a mass of a body m2 at a point P2. Now add P1 and P2. The center point is consider C. Now the position vector from O to P1 is R1. The position vector from O to P2 is R2. Now the position vector from O to C is RCM. Now consider a system of two particles. Consider a system of two particles P1 and P2 of masses m1 and m2. Let R1 and R2 be their position vectors. Be their position vectors with respect to the origin with respect to the origin O. Once again, I am repeating the point. Consider a system of two particles P1 and P2 of masses M1 and M2. Full stop. Now let R1 and R2 be their position vectors with respect to the origin O. Now the position vector RCM of the center of mass C of the two particles system is given by. Once again, I am repeating this point. The position vector RCM of the center of mass C of the two particle systems is given by, that is, the position vector RCM of the center of mass C of the two particle system is given by, that is, RCM is equal to M1 R1 plus M2 R2 whole by M1 plus M2. Consider equation number 1. Once again I am repeating, RCM is equal M1 R1 plus M2 R2 by M1 plus M2. Equation number 1. Therefore, from this equation number 1, we can write as M1 plus M2 into RCM is equal to M1 R1 plus M2 R2. If consider, this is equation number 2. If M1 is equal to M2 is equal to M, say, once again I am repeating this point, if M1 is equal to M2 is equal to M, say, in this case we can write as M1 plus M2 is equal to M, that is 2M into RCM is equal to MR1 plus MR2. So take M common into R1 plus R2. Therefore RCM is equal to MM cancel. Therefore R1 plus R2 whole by 2. This is the required equation. This is the main equation. Consider this is equation number 3. This is equation number 3. Once again, RCM is equal R1 plus R2 by 2. Consider equation number 3. That means take here there is one body, take here there is another body. Both are joined together, have same masses. Here mass is M. Here also mass is M. Now this is center of mass. Or the another diagram is take its mass is M, take its mass is also same M. Now add these two, therefore this is the center. So these two diagrams which are supporting the above equation number 3, that is RCM is equal R1 plus R2 by 2. Similarly, RCM is equal R1 plus R2 by 2. Now if case, if x1 y1 x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 are the coordinates of the locations of the two particles In that case, the coordinates of their center of mass is the center of mass. The coordinates of their center of mass are given by that is x cm is equal to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 whole by m1 plus m2. At the same time, y cm is equal m1 y1 plus m2 y2 whole by m1 plus m2. Consider this is the both are equation number 4. Once again, xcm is equal m1 x1 plus m2 x2 by m1 plus m2 and ycm is equal m1 y1 plus m2 y2 by m1 plus m2. Consider equation number 4. Once again I am repeating this content. If x1 y1 and x2 y2 are the coordinates of the locations of the two particles, the coordinates of their center of masses are given by xcm and ycm. Therefore, the xcm is equal m1 x1 plus m2 x2 by m1 plus m2, and YCM is equal m1 y1 plus m2 y2 by m1 plus m2. Consider this is equation number 4. My dear students, now see once again I am explaining about this point. If x1 y1 and x2 y2, here p1 is nothing but x1 y1 and p here the point is p2. The coordinates are x2 y2. Now go for discussion. If x1 y1 and x2 y2 are the coordinates of the locations of two particles p1 and p2. Now the coordinates of their center of mass are is nothing but C, which is given by xcm comma ycm. Therefore the xcm is equal m1 x1 plus m2 x2 whole by m1 plus m2. Similarly, ycm is equal m1 y1 plus m2 y2 whole by m1 plus m2. Consider this is equation number 4. This is also important point. My dear students, in this video we discuss about center of mass of a two particles systems. I hope you understood this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.